Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can update apps on Motorola Edge 50 Pro. So the first thing that we need to do is open the Play Store, and then in the Play Store you want to tap on your avatar in the top right corner, and then go to Manage Apps and Device. Over here in the overview you will find updates available, and if there are any updates available then you should also find the information below. And from here you can already press Update All in order to update all apps. You can also see details, so you can tap on see details in order to see the list of all apps that have updates ready for you. So you can once again press update all, or you can press the update button for the specific app in order to update it, like so. If there is some information that an app couldn't be installed, like in my case over here, then you might have two options, and the cross will be to delete the pending download, and the other would be to retry. So if you press retry, then you should eventually try one more time to download and install the app. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos.